And here is our frame, our chassis, after we left off last episode. And on this episode, we are doing lots and lots of cutting. The bulkhead will get removed, some inner fenders. One frame section gets replaced in its entirety, the cargo floor, as well as some repairs along the torsion tube, and lots of cutting, welding, grinding, and at the very end, a few new pieces get put on. But for now, we keep going on with the dismantling of this chassis on the 66 double cab.
So what's happening here is we're replacing this whole frame rail because obviously it's really rotted, and so here's the new piece, and it goes up to this seam here, and it's just the outer part of it. So there's a piece that goes all in there, and that's part of this piece. So either need a repair or make that piece new. And yeah, got all of that cut off, and here's the new one. So it's nice, it came all pre-assembled. Definitely saves a lot of time. And what else? Yeah, this is the new inner fender. That's the old one. And yeah, all these parts are the, I don't know what, they're BBT or something like that. And I've used, like, well, here's another van that I did. That green is the classic fab, and then some of the black parts are Autocraft, and then that's that BBT brand. And I think there's even some Wolfsburg panels on this thing. But that brand, the silver, that weld through silver primer brand, I like it a lot better than some of the other brands. But the Autocraft is always good, and so is the Wolfsburg. Can never go wrong with anything Wolfsburg. So yeah, that's where we're at. See how long this takes. Trying to make sure to get it back in the same place where it was. Super important. That's it. So here's a little update of the chassis. I have this frame rail cut out and the new one's on the floor there. I'm just waiting for, there's a piece that comes in here, and it's basically what this whole piece is, waiting for that to come in. And that piece goes on, and then the frame rail goes on. But back here, to show you what I'm doing, the chassis is upside down right now, and just making a repair panel here. So there's just a lot of little holes in it, just little holes, but might as well just fix it properly with one big piece. And so I made that piece. Oops. Yeah. You can see it fits pretty well. And so gets welded all the way around, and then here it'll get plug welded in those holes. And I've already done this side, so this is how it'll turn out. Won't even ever tell with some paint on it. There's no sand to weld off, and there's nothing left. So make sure weld nice and hot, so it's still strong after the weld's off. But yeah, there's a little bit of rot back here.
give a couple detail shots here. Lucas has been working hard on the chassis and we're getting pretty close. You can see how this is the frame rail that we had to replace. It's all in place. Fender well is in place. Bulkhead is almost there. We need to tie it up a little bit, but it's really taking shape. This is a piece from the Silver Weld Through Panel company, whoever makes that in Taiwan, and it comes fully assembled like this and is really nice. So you can see the bed of the crew cab is in. These are all the various conduits for e-brake and accelerator and so on. They go through all these little holes and we need to run them again. This one comes with the bed, and all that he really has left other than the conduits, these back corners need to be refurbished, and at that point the chassis is almost done. We need to then put it in self-etch and paint it. The cargo floor might go in before the body and the bed goes on. Most likely it'll be kind of at the same time, and same with the cab floor. That goes in once the nose is here, once the cab is back in place, that'll be put in at that point. It could sit here for now, but it's really not doing anything. And he's done a few repairs on this part here too. So making good progress. Making good progress for what it is, and it's really starting to take shape. And then eventually we'll start on the cab next, and you can see over there half the cab is already sitting there, from window repairs to nose to this, that, and the other thing. So we'll just keep right on going.